All right, boys and girls, I have traced, last time we drew 2 shapes of each kind, and then we traced them with our Sharpie. Let me get rid of my black paper, I don't need that anymore. Now I'm gonna use 3 primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, and I'm gonna paint these shapes. And in order just to keep it simple, let me get my paper towel ready. And to keep this real simple and easy, I'm gonna keep the shape so the circles was blue. So I'm gonna start painting the circles blue, and then the red was the squares, and the yellow was the triangles. So I'm gonna use those colors for those shapes. So let me start. I'm gonna put a little blue paint on my brush, and take your time. Mistakes happen with painting mostly when people rush. Okay. If you get crazy, you use too much paint, you go, ah! That's usually when mistakes happen. So we want to take our time, fill in the whole circle, even if it overlaps something else. So our colors are going to mix. We're going to have blue circle. Looks pretty good. Yay, good job, me. And this circle is blue too. There we go. Now I will clean off my brush. That means I swish it in the water nicely and gently. And then I dab it on my paper towel to get it a little bit more dry. I don't need tons of water on my brush. Like I said, take your time, be gentle. All right, now the shape of the square was red. So time for red. And I'm gonna just paint through. I'm gonna paint the whole red square. Some of it's gonna change color. It's gonna blend together, and red and blue will make a dark purple like that. Look at that, it started to change. And that's what it's supposed to do. Now I'm gonna paint this big one, and this big red square over here. And paint the whole square. Now it's gonna mix with the blue circle on this side in just a second. Here we go. It's just mixing right there on the paper. It turned kind of purplish. Whoa. Cool. Now my last color is yellow, and that was with the triangles. Let me clean my brush first. Always use a clean brush if you can, and have it, use your paper towel to get some of the water out. That will help. If your paper gets too wet with water, it's gonna be really slobbery and slippery, and the paint's gonna be messy, and it could even drip when you pick it up. So our goal is to try to use just the paint that we need, not make it too messy, okay? All right, last one, let's do yellow. Let's get this little yellow guy here. And red and yellow will make an orange color. Clean that off. I want my yellow to be nice and bright, and right now it's kind of orangey, so I'm going to clean that up one more time. And now over here I'll have my yellow triangle with blue circles, and that'll make a green color. Mix those together. There we go. Now this will go to the drying rack. Mr. Ray will help you put that on the drying rack. And all this stuff, just put it in the sink. You don't have to worry about cleaning anything. I just want you to put yours in the sink, and I'll clean it up later, okay? All right, there's your painting. Nice job.